Manufacturing is key to economic growth and prosperity in America and across the globe. As the industry progresses, SME is right there, fostering and promoting advanced manufacturing technology, expertise, and innovation while developing a skilled workforce. SME is a force that convenes the manufacturing industry. Connecting industry and education to advance manufacturing was a key focus for SME and its Education Foundation in 2017. Our partnerships with industry leaders, academia, government, workforce investment boards, and trade and professional associations allow us to increase our impact on manufacturing and STEM education. And we continue to expand our role as a thought leader.
We've got to spend and invest in our people that are currently in jobs.
There's 600,000 unfilled jobs because of a skills gap. It's critically important that we get the message out.
We're building upon current partnerships and establishing new collaborations to strengthen SME's role in the growth of manufacturing. And we're proud to welcome new corporate and institutional members. SME introduced several new products as part of our ongoing support of the workforce. And to honor talent in manufacturing, we celebrate the efforts and contributions of individuals who develop processes that make our lives cleaner, brighter, faster, and better. We're keeping up this momentum in 2018 as we promote advanced manufacturing.
The bottom line is IoT for manufacturing, it's going to grow.
SME has been dedicated to the health and competitiveness of the manufacturing industry.
In January, we were thrilled to exhibit for the first time at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit. And our leaders are being recognized for their outstanding accomplishments in the industry. We continue to elevate the profile of SME, clearly identifying our leadership role in manufacturing. This year, we've already released new white papers and reports. And we will publish new content in our journals to provide manufacturing professionals with the latest industry insights. We continue to convene the industry by presenting unparalleled events, which are at the core of knowledge and information sharing. As the technology world continues to expand at lightning speed, SME is keeping pace and promoting manufacturing's ever-evolving development. We are excited about the future of the manufacturing industry with its innovations, careers, and opportunities, and we look forward to building synergies with even more industry stakeholders.